Okay, welcome to Way Happy Studios here, and we're going to do matrix multiplication. So, looking over this matrix real quick, notice I have matrix A, which is a beautiful 2 by 2. I have matrix B, which is a beautiful 2 by 3. And I have matrix C, which is a 3 by 3 matrix. Now, in order to multiply these, I need to know their dimensions. That's why I wrote them down. We said A is a 2 by 2 and B is a 2 by 3. So therefore, if these two numbers are the same, we can multiply. They are, and our answer will be a 2 by 3 matrix. Now let's go ahead and talk about how we multiply, because that's the tricky part. When you want to find out this answer right here, you multiply row 1 with column 1 and see what you get. So when I do that, I do 1 times 1 plus 0 times 2. And when I add that together, I get the answer is 1, and a 1 goes in that spot. Now let's go ahead and try to figure out what is in this next spot right here. And when I try to do that, I need to multiply row 1 with column 2, and therefore a quick multiplication should be 1 times 3 plus 0 times negative 4, and it looks like we're going to get 3. And then when we go on to the last row, because remember this has 3 columns, when I want to go to find this solution, the third column, whoops, I took the 3 out of there. When I want to go find that third solution, I am going to have to do row 1 with column 3 this time. And when I do that, I get 1 times negative 1 plus 0 times 5. In other words, I get negative 1. And there you have the first row of your answer matrix. Now let's do the second row of the answer matrix, which means we need to multiply for this spot right here. I need to multiply row 2 with column 1. And in order to do that, I get 2 times 1 plus negative 3 times 2. And that would be 2 minus 6, which would be negative 4. And we can go ahead and finish it in by saying this one times this one will go in this spot, which would be 6 and 12. So therefore it's 18. And last but not least, this one would be, again, the 2 and the negative 3 times the negative 1 and the 5, or negative 2 plus negative 15 gives you negative 17, and there's your answer matrix. There you go, quick multiplying matrices. Watch out, some of these can be very fun. I remember one time doing like a 5 by 1 matrix multiplied by a 1 by 6 matrix, and the crazy part is it can be done, but you get this huge 5 by 6 matrix, which is kind of weird. Or the other way around, if you had a 1 by 6 multiplied by a 6 by 1, you get a little tiny 1 by 1 matrix, which again looks pretty spooky. Have a great day, stay happy, and do your homework.